Hello, my prayer Bible friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are continuing our series for my prayer Bible for my friend, where we are tabbing topics to help her with her prayer life. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed, and I'm with Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Okay, so we're doing attributes this time, and I've already got everything set aside ready for us to be able to flag them. If you have, this is your first video, you're wanting to know what this is our tab guide, where you can line up your tabs in a row with the topics that we have. If you are wanting this, it's part of the enhanced package, and it's linked below in the description. All the supplies that I'm using will be linked below in the description as well. The enhanced pack has all kinds of stuff that you can use to make your prayer Bible a little bit more special, and it's only $9 right now. So let's get started. Let's get started with the attributes. We're going to start in Ezra 3:11. With praise and thanksgiving they sang to the Lord. He is good. His love towards Israel endures forever. And all the people gave great shout of praise to the Lord, because the foundation of the house of the Lord was laid. Okay, so we have our flags. This is your first video, I took these flags, laid 5 of them on top of each other, and then cut them in half to make these smaller sizes. And then all I do is line it up with the page and add the flag. All right, our next one is Psalm 31:19. How abundant are the good things that you have stored up for those who fear you, that you bestow in the sight of all, on those who take refuge in you. Okay, let's get our flag. All right, our next one is Psalm 34, verse 8. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him. Okay, Psalm 84, verse 11. Faithful springs forth from the earth, and the righteousness looks down from heaven. Okay, and now we've got Psalm 103, verse 8. The Lord is compassionate and gracious, slow to anger, abounding in love. Okay, Psalm Oops, I must have missed one. that was right. Psalm 107, 1. 107, 1. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. Psalm 119, 68. You are good, and what you do is good. Teach me your decrees. Okay, our next one is Psalm 145, 17. The Lord is righteous in all his ways and faithful in all he does. Okay, Mark 10, verse 18. Why do you call me good? Jesus answered, no one is good except for God alone. And our last one is Luke 11, verse 13. If you then, though you are evil, know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father in heaven give the Holy Spirit to those who ask him? Okay, so that is our last one in this section. Hope you enjoyed watching me do this. If this is something that you liked, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next one. Our next one will be salvation, and we'll be working on that next. And yes, I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.